guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Matchbox playsets. We're going to be opening the Bank Alarm Playset. Wow, look, there's a gel and a vault. Wow, that looks really cool. It comes with a police car and 2 policemen. This looks like it's going to be lots of fun. This set connects to 2 other sets. You can collect them here. The Shark Pier playset and the Car Wash playset. Let's check those out. Here we have the Car Wash playset. Wow! It even has something that squirts water to wash your car. It comes with a blue limousine and 2 employees. Doesn't that look like it's going to be lots of fun? We can also connect to the Shark Pier playset. Wow, it has a real shark. And look, it's a beach. We're going on the pier. Oh, don't let the shark eat you. This one comes with a fire inspector and a person and a pelican. Isn't that cool? We also have a Matchbox on a Mission gift pack. We wanted some extra cars to be able to play. These will go great even with the Mission Dino Raiders or any other Matchbox on a Mission playsets. Let's start by opening the Bank Alarm Playset. Let's get the ramp set up. Well, that was easy. Let's get our car out. Look, it's a city police car. Wow, that's pretty cool. This one looks like a robber. He's got a mask on his face. You can't see his eyes. And this looks like the policeman. Stop, police! Let's check out this set. The police car can go right inside. Wow! If you pull the bomb, you get to see inside the vault. You can also go right through to the gel and then be launched out. Cool! But if you see, there's also an elevator. We'll take it all the way to the top. And down the ramp. Did you see that the police car trunk opens? Isn't that cool? Down the elevator goes. Now that we've seen this first set, why don't we check out some different vehicles we have? This is a National Parks vehicle. Look at those big wheels. And they roll separately. He's got a spare wheel in the back. Wow, I like him. Here we have another police vehicle. This is a pretty neat looking vehicle. I love the blue on the top. Wow, look at this mighty machine. That's really cool. This is a miner truck. Great for getting great boulders out of the mountain. This is the Trinidad Medical Response Unit. This is kind of like an ambulance. Wow, I really like him. Whoa, check out that car. This is the Sahara Sweeper. It's kind of like a dune buggy, isn't it? That is really cool. Check out this fast machine. This is a Whiplash. Wow! He looks like he could be a really good burglar. That should be fun to see. And we have an ATV. Got some nice big 4x4 wheels. I bet it's good for lots of different terrain. What is this one? This is the Airland Hills Co-op. This is like a farming vehicle, it looks like. Yes. And finally, look at this one. This is the Sahara Survivor. This is another desert vehicle. Wow, look at all those things in there. That's very neat. He's trapped inside jail. What are we gonna do? Let's release him. Cool. That's pretty neat. Which car is coming next? Oh, it's our police car. Let's take him all the way up. Release him. This set is pretty fun. There's lots of things you can do in just a very short space. Let's launch him. Whoa! 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.